slide, we have case studies. In that, this is the first one, first case study. It is about life in Ladakh. The people how they are living in Ladakh. It is locating in Jammu and Kashmir. It is a cold mountain desert. Yes, it is a desert, but it is a cold desert. It is not hot desert. And another one is little rainfall will be there in the Ladakh and very little trees are there in the Ladakh. Then occupation of the Ladakh people is animal rearing, goat, sheep, cow, and does. Does is nothing but it is one kind of buffalo. Then another one is in the Ladakh, Ladakh is famous for Pashmina wool. They were extracting from the sheep and goat. Then ancient traders route to Tibet. Yes, Ladakh is connecting place to the Tibet for the ancient traders. The next one is caravans carried silk, spices, and carpets. Yes, the traders, they were using caravans to carry the silk, spices, and carpets. And religions and culture, which is practicing in Ladakh, is Buddhism. Buddhism went via Tibet. Yes, this religion and culture. If we see that Buddhism went via Tibet, okay, through the Ladakh, and Islam introduced in 4000 plus years ago in Ladakh. Then they have rich oral tradition. They sing Kesar Sang, okay, Kesar Saga, okay, Kesar Saga. They will sing by Buddhist also and even Muslims also. So here this Kesar Saga, it is a one song. Uh, the song is sung by Buddhist also. The Buddhist were also will sing that, and even Muslims also will sing that.